Welcome to Ride Reviews Pro, your trusted source for the most advanced machines shaping our world. Today, we're diving into one of the most ambitious and secretive defense projects of the 21st century, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, Russia's next-generation hypersonic interceptor designed to replace the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. This aircraft isn't just a fighter, it's a leap into the future of air dominance. The vision behind the MiG-41. The MiG-41, also known by its project name PAK DP, Prospective Aviation Complex for Long-Range Interception, represents Russia's vision of countering emerging aerial threats. As hypersonic weapons and stealth bombers become realities, traditional interceptors like the MiG-31 can no longer keep up. The MiG-41 aims to bridge that gap by achieving hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 4.3, operating at altitudes near space boundaries, and intercepting threats before they even reach Russian airspace. Design and performance expectations. Though official images remain classified, defense insiders describe a sleek, stealth-optimized design with blended fuselage lines and reduced radar cross-section. Built primarily from advanced composite materials, the MiG-41 is rumored to integrate plasma stealth technology, reducing radar detectability by ionizing air around the aircraft. Powering this beast could be a next-generation turbine-based combined cycle engine, capable of switching between jet and ramjet modes for sustained hypersonic flight. Estimated range sits around 7,000 kilometers, allowing the MiG-41 to patrol vast territories without refueling. Weapons and systems. The MiG-41 isn't just fast, it's built to eliminate threats at extreme range. Expected armaments include long-range R-37M and future K-77 missiles, as well as a new hypersonic air-to-air missile capable of engaging enemy aircraft and even low-orbit satellites. Advanced AI-assisted targeting systems and sensor fusion will allow the pilot to manage enormous data streams from multiple radar and infrared sources. Strategic role and global impact. Strategically, the MiG-41 could redefine air interception doctrines. Its ability to reach near-space altitudes positions it as a multi-domain interceptor, capable of countering ballistic missiles, stealth bombers, and possibly even orbital threats. If operational by 2026 as projected, it would signal Russia's commitment to maintaining technological parity in the hypersonic age and challenge Western aerospace powers to respond with comparable systems. Conclusion. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands as both a technological marvel and a statement of intent. It represents the dawn of a new era where hypersonic speed, stealth, and artificial intelligence converge in the skies. Here at Ride Reviews Pro, we'll continue tracking every breakthrough that shapes the future of flight. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the machines redefining human limits.